So today we are going to look at our Alleghany County data visualization project and some of the aspects included in making it efficient and properly outputting a product that is presentable to the sponsors. So we are starting in our Kabula webpage. It is a ETL facilitator in which you can combine external applications and data destinations in order to properly facilitate the ETL process. So we will be starting first on the FRED data source. This is a public data page accessible to everyone regarding various economic information regarding local governments. So this is accessible to everyone, and for Allegheny County, it possesses various KPIs that are viewable to the public to kind of see information regarding specific economic indicators. So for our project, we had to develop a Python script first in this component in Kabula. And in this component, we develop a block of Python code in which efficiently scrapes the data from the FRED source and returns it to a Excel or a Google Sheets file. So the code, one of the key portions is the FRED API key, in which we registered personally just to facilitate the process on our end. But Allegheny County Chamber of Commerce will have to register their own API key and place it in this spot right here, in which we will include in the user manual. So through inputting that API key, it then uses the API St. Louis, FRED St. Louis kind of term to actually format and search the information itself. And then each FRED data set has its own name, in which is included in the report section right here. So these several KPIs are the ones that we thought would best kind of facilitate the project sponsor's desires for key economic, tourism, and education data. And then it returns that into our next component, which will be the Google Sheets data destination. So in this destination, we included in the storage unit of Kabula the various CSV files of the KPIs from FRED, and then inputted it into this mapping section of the Excel datasheet. So all these KPIs were the KPIs that we chose that we thought would best summarize the project sponsor's desires. So after the Python code is ran, it will scrape this into a usable and kind of digestible Excel or Google Sheets file with the various KPI data uploaded to it. As you see, income inequality, personal income, employed persons, and so on. So following that, we manually inputted the FRED data destination of Google Sheets into a Tableau file, in which we created the visualization. So this Tableau file will be accessible through the Tableau website. We created a Tableau account for Allegheny County, in which they can access at any time. So just to view the visualization, you will go to the My Profile section and then click on the Allegheny County KPI Outlook. And you can download that using this button right here as a Tableau workbook. And that'll open up in Tableau. That is the public version, so there's no cost basis at all and is easily accessible. So through this, you see, although it takes a moment to load, you see KPI factors such as employed persons can be utilized. And then we see employed persons, high school graduates or higher, and income inequality. So these take a second to load, but they're all various charts that kind of describe many of the basic trends that the project sponsors wanted to see regarding economic data, tourism data, education data, to see if new policies should be implemented, and also if current policies are working and growing the economy effectively, especially after the pandemic in 2020 and 2021 took, a significant hit to the economy locally and nationally. So these factors describe that in kind of a digestible format in order for local county officials and Chamber of Commerce officials to effectively make a decision and use this report, to continually kind of improve the economic outlook for Alleghany County.